guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a couple of cards I created with the Little Cafe collection. So I have the stamp set with the coordinating die, and the stamp set is just adorable. You can pick the die on the stamp set by choosing yes, you want the die, or no, you don't want the die with the little drop down menu. We've got the waitress and all the goods that they are selling in the cafe. We've got a little sentiment that says my little cafe. The sentiment, happiness is a cup of coffee shared with a friend, and that will fit right here in the sign, as well as the cafe open. And then the sentiment, let's get together. And I think this stamp set is just super cute. So there's the coordinating die, and it will cut out the sentiments as well. We also have the matching ephemera, which is just super adorable. Let me pull some of it out so you can see, in case you didn't see my previous video. I posted a while back. The girl is just so cute. So we got different images of the waitress. Some she is holding like a tray, and others she just has her hand out, so you can kind of put whatever you want in her hand, like a cup of coffee or whatever. There's a tray in here that you can fill up with some of these items. There's little signs, cafe open, there's this one. So all of these beautiful images by Monique Cannon. You can see you get a lot in this pack, and it's just a really, really cute collection. If you had a lot of fun making like shop cards, storefront cards, you have dies that make little storefront cards, this collection is going to be really fun to pair up with that. I'm going to show you some of the previous shop cards that I've created that are going to be really fun. I'll link the video to the tutorial, and if you wanted to make one yourself using this collection. And then the paper pad, a sweet split. So this paper pad matches really nicely with the ephemera. The colors go beautifully, and it's a really cute paper pad. Look at that page of gummy bears. Got bananas for the banana split. There's ice cream in here. Just cute patterns. The colors are really, really cute. And these are the two cards that I created using the paper pad and the ephemera, and this one I used the stamp set and the paper. So here I stamped out Let's Get Together from the stamp set on the, this is a piece of ephemera, this little banner. I added the bow on top of her hair, so it's layered with a foam dot. And then I added the little like coffee drink or ice cream drink on her hand. I have a little cafe menu here that says cappuccino, latte, flat white, long black, short black, Vienna, extra shot. And then we've got some coffee beans and then a little floral arrangement. I added the clear enamel dots and then layered up some papers here from the paper pad, and it turned out super cute. And then for the stamp set, I also used the sentiment, let's get together. And then on my sign, I have the happiness is a cup of coffee shared with a friend. I have the coffee beans in the background in a jar, a cappuccino, and then another coffee drink over here. And then I have her holding a muffin. And I made a little frame so it's popped up. Kind of looks like a storefront. And then this here is a little scalloped. It's just folded over with foam tape at the back of it. And it turned out super, super cute. So let me share the shop cards if you didn't see these. this style card is going to be really cute with this set. And this is using the Sparkle and Shine bundle that's available in the shop. You can get this bundle as an I Want It All bundle. It comes with a stencil, paper, matching ephemera, a stamp set. The stamp set also has a die. It's a really cute set. Here's another card. This is another shop style card. This frame pops up and down, so when you put it in the envelope it's flat, and then it will pop up. And then these are all the images from the ephemera for that. And this is another one, but I was using the stamp sets for this one. And then here's two more using the ephemera. So those are just super fun to make. And I'm gonna have to make another one using this collection because it's just too cute. I thought I could make a quick card using the paper and ephemera. There's this really cute border in here that's just so cute. You could just have that right there as a little border on your landscape card, or maybe a slimline card, and your card is practically done. So I want to put one together using that, and then maybe one using the little waitress. So you can do the little tray, and then have some items. Let's see, I think the teal one's going to go better with her to match her little apron. And then you can put whatever you want on there. There's just so many cute things to add. Maybe some coffee and cake. Let's see, cake. I got my creamer, my coffee. Okay, so maybe we'll do that. There's some little macaroons in there. I'm gonna pull out some sheets that I want to work with. This one I really like. And then we've got the gummy bears, which are really cute. Okay, I'm going to cut down some of my panels and I will be back. So I've got my sentiment, let's get together, on a little banner. I'm going to use VersaFine Clear and Nocturne. That is my go-to for sentiment stamping. And I'm going to go ahead and do two of them since I might make two cards. For my first card here, I'm going to use this border, this banner. I've got rectangles with stitching around, a smaller size. So if you have one of those never-ending or stackable rectangles, you can create this layout really quickly. If not, you can just use your trimmer and cut out the rectangles. So let's add some glue. I've got my Bearly Art Precision Craft glue. And just going to add some glue to the back really quickly. I'm going to leave an even border. We're going to pop this up with some foam tape. Okay, so I have foam tape on the back of these two. Let's add this one first so I know exactly where I want my sentiment to go. Okay, that looks like a good spot. And then I'm going to have the banner go up to the edge here of my card panel. Okay, so see how quickly this card came together. Now I can add some embellishing. We can put this orange on there. It matches the little orange on the flowers. We can bring some orange to this side of the card. And those were our sparkle enamel dots that were just recently released. So there is the card. Turned out really cute. You can always enhance your ephemera by adding some glitter. So I'm gonna take this Spectrum Noir glitter brush pen and just add some glitter to the tops of the little drinks here and the cupcake. Just give a little bit of sparkle. So really, really cute. And now we can make another quick card. Okay, so let's start putting these panels together. So I have stitching around my first panel here. And I'm going to add some enamel dots. And these are from our Let's Get Cool collection. These enamel dots seem to match all the papers, at least one of the colors. So that yellow matches nicely with the color on here. So that turned out really cute. So let's take a look at all the cards. Let me know which one is your favorite. So we'll do this one as number 1, this one as number 2, number 3, and number 4. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications, and share the video out to all your friends. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. All the links for the supplies will be in the description box for you. Bye, guys.